9:06.
Going the other way so we don't go this way. Here to the other one you sign in under. This one. It'll show up that way.
Where is it?
I'm coming.
When I mark it up.
Good evening, kings and queens.
Hi, beautiful people. What's going on? What's going on? Happy Monday. What?
Out there.
Pat Mullins, good
Pat
evening. How you doing?
Good night, good night.
Althea, good evening. What happened with this thing already? No,
Patricia.
Patricia, Elaine, Wagwan, Anicia. Happy Monday. Come on in.
Gillette Bennett. Good evening, good evening.
Good evening, Gillette Bennett. Good evening, Sonia. How are you?
Sonia. Good
Watching
evening.
from welcome. Sorry, last night we weren't able to make it on. Yes, but we're on tonight. How you all doing? Good to see you. June, Don, Patricia James, good evening.
Marcia Grant.
Watch me start playing with my ears ring already now. I'm gonna see it. Yeah. As soon. See me, huh? Ready to play with my ears ring.
Now wait for nothing.
Now wait for nothing. Everybody good? Callis. Collis. Sorry. Collis. How you doing, Collis? Good evening. Good evening.
Gritly.
Good evening. How you doing? Good night. Yes, we're out here tonight with our little cage. Yes, our cage of credits. We usually, for the people who have been watching us for some time now, know that we have our little cage of credits. We used to do this on Sunday nights, but we've decided, since we do praise and worship, to do something, in regards,
like a gambling
in regards, gambling. What gamble?
Well, like that, it's.
What gambling?
Well, the cage, spinning.
No, me talk about Sunday nights when we decide that we're gonna do stuff in regards to the service,
yes.
Instead of doing this cage. But
Right.
we usually used to do this cage every Sunday night.
Yes.
Yes. So we said we're just gonna choose a different night to do the cage, right?
Random.
So tonight we choose, because we weren't out last night to give away credits. So we were like, okay, let's do the cage tonight and give away some credits.
Yeah.
So, but how everybody are doing?
Kizza, good evening. Jennifer
Kizza, Jennifer Gooden, how you doing, Jennifer? Hope all is well. Angela, how you doing, Angela? Forbes, Wade. How you doing, Mrs. Don? How you doing?
Good evening.
Good evening to one and all. If it's your first time watching us, I'm Chocolate.
And I'm Vanilla.
And welcome. And we're BFF. We're best friends. We're not a couple.
No.
We are married to two brothers. Yes. Vanilla is married to the younger brother. I'm married to the older brother. Yes. So just to put it out there, Not gonna say that every time because we don't really care what people want to say about us. People gonna think what they want to think, because what I realize is that it's so sad that people don't ever have the experience of having a good friend of the same sex, and you're not sexually attracted to that person. You just have a sister relationship. When people live good, I guess that's a label that people slap on them, because I've seen it too often where people comment on the post saying that chocolate and vanilla, them a rub crotch, or them a lesbian or whatever. That's not gonna offend us because we know who we are. Yeah, we know the truth. God knows the truth. That's who we are accountable to. And I'm not going to say that all the time. Yes?
That's right.
We have heard that too many times in life to let that bother us. So
it don't bother us none
don't
at
bother
all.
us none at all, because, you know, with husband them know, with family them know how close we are, like sisters. And they know that we don't have any type of sexual attraction for each other. You understand, love my husband with all my heart. Yes, and though people curse my husband when my husband don't even involve in social media, the only time my husband will come on social media, really, if it's up to my husband, I'm not on social media, because even when we go on vacation, I have to, we have to really beg them for them to be on live. You know what I'm saying? So I don't understand. It just baffles my mind that when people want to curse someone on social media, they bring in their family and they bring in their kids. It's just disgusting to me. I don't care who you are, even if you're my enemy on social media. I don't think it's right for anybody to curse your kids or your family. I just think that is the lowest of low, because they are not responsible for especially when they're not on social media. They don't know what's taking place, and for people who are innocent and not in the social media thing, I just think it's so wrong. It's so low. So
and they're not even involved in the argument, so why try and pull them in?
Yeah. You know, they pull in my husband. I don't know if you guys knew, but over the weekend they had a skit about Vanilla and I. We're not bothered. We watched it, we laugh. Actually, to the person that skits us out, it was hilarious. It was hilarious.
Okay.
We laughed. Oh my God, we laughed. We were at a party and we saw the live. Yes, the live popped up and Vanilla was like, look at this chocolate, look at this. And a whole bunch of people at the party were looking at it and they were just laughing. Like, we know this is not you, they're trying to be chocolate.
Right.
Yeah, it was hilarious. It was mediocre. And that's what made it so hilarious, because it was so mediocre. It didn't represent us in any shape or form. So we thought it was just hilarious. And we love to laugh. So thank you for the laughter. Yeah. But my kings and queens, I did say it the last time. No, it was the second to last time, because the last time was service that we were out here. I did say it on the last live we had, our sit down live talking, that if somebody skit me out, that I was gonna come and return the favor, and I'm a woman of my word. So this Saturday, Master Baker is gonna come out, and what I want to say to that person who thought she skit me out, make sure you laugh, because I laughed.
I laughed too.
You understand?
I did.
Just make sure you laugh. And don't play victim. And don't you go screaming. Make sure you laugh. I'm going to show you how it's done. That's what I'm about to do. I'm going to give you a acting class. All right? Because I'm that good that people actually think that I have a knock knee. And I did that in acting, Master Baker. Yeah? But the people that want know me in a real life know some don't have a knock me. I've met a lot of you on here. You guys I've met a lot of people in Jamaica, yes, that We don't even post the pictures.
No.
They are on here to attest that they've met us. We've taken a lot of pictures, but I have nothing to prove to social media. I'm the type of person like this. You accuse me, you say something about me, I'm not coming out to prove you differently. That's just how I am.
That's not us.
So if you want think me have knocked me, think me have knocked me. If you want think say me not no ear, that's why me wear a wig. Think say me not have no ear. That's why me wear a wig. Understand? Because let me tell you something. People tell me already say, we not come on live without wigs. Me come on live with my hair. No. Because my ear look exactly like my wig. Exactly when me ask my family. When me wet it up, exactly like my wig. Mm-hmm. Yeah? And that's why me wear wig will look exactly like my ear. Mm-hmm. And me not come out here and tell nobody say, I know wig me have on. Why me I do that? Me not have nothing for proof to nobody on social media. And if you want to think me broke, think me broke. Me not go pull my bank statement and bring it out here to show you that I'm not.
No.
Whatever you want think, that's your problem.
Yep.
That's all me is.
When and my hair is actually longer than this.
Than this. Yes.
Yeah, my hair is longer than
absolutely. But social media, look, yes. And if anything people want think. Because when we realize with social media, that's what they want people to do. Come out here and prove their life.
And I'm not doing that. We're not going to do that. I'm not
doing that. When I just started on social media, they used to think that this was Vanilla's house. At first, them say somebody else.
Somebody else's
house.
Yes.
Because apparently it is too beautiful for me. Because my skin must be too black. Or I come from Jamaica. I don't know what it is. Make me, a person like me, shouldn't sit down in a nice house. I don't know why. But thank God for the person who lent it to me now for what, 3 years, my kings and queens with a for 3 years. Thank you so much.
And then
whomever it is.
Yours, it was mine.
Yeah.
When it wasn't somebody else's, it was mine.
Whomever lend me the house. Thank God a year. Thank God 3 years. Wanna let it to me for. Yes? No, wanna let it to me for 3 years on social media. But combined together 17 years. You understand? Thank God for lend it to me. Make sure not have people like that in our life. You know?
Right.
17 years. Yes,
Can do that.
Yeah, I don't care what people think.
Not at all.
You understand? I don't care what people think. When I went to we went to where was it? Paris. Mm-hmm. When we went to Paris, that was actually my ear. Go pull it up and zoom it in. It's ball. It's a little bit in a ball, but it's a little bit it's not thick right here. So go pull it up and look. And your sister on a wig, me did have on. That's all me go give you now. That's all me go give you now. Because I couldn't bother. Me just couldn't bother. Yes.
And I don't and you know what people say about me on social media? I don't care. You can say whatever you want to say. I know who I am. I know the truth. I love myself.
Cordelia, it's hard to not listen sometimes. You understand? When I pay attention most of the times, the angry people them come over. Yeah, the angry people. Welcome. Hope you guys are having a good night. Yes, it's nice to see you guys. We love the color orange. So, welcome. We hope you had a great day. We hope you had lunch. We hope you had breakfast. You know what I mean? We hope you had a great dinner. We hope that you're happy. You know what I mean? We hope that you're loved. We hope that you're loved. We hope that you have affection in your life. We hope that things are going great for you. Yes, welcome. Good to see you.
Welcome to the chocolate.
Yes. If you would like some credits, feel free to call in. We have the number pin at the bottom. We're going to be giving away credits. So if that could change your night and make you a little bit happier, we'll be more than happy to do that for you. Okay? Yes.
I have to pin it.
Yes. So we're about to pin the number. Yes. we're not gonna fall into the negative, but sometimes you just have to release what you have on your mind and then just keep it moving. And that's what we do. You understand? We don't make out of iron, we make out of flesh. You understand? Yes. So it is what it is.
All right.
I'm just letting social media know that they can never bait me. Yeah, they can never bribe me. They can never say anything for me to come out here and prove anything to them. That's it. Bottom line, point blank, period.
Plain and simple.
That's it. So in case they had that intention or they're looking for that, I just want to make it clear tonight that that won't happen. Yes? Yes. Yes. That's what it is.
Hey, Andy.
Hey, Andy. Elizabeth
Thank
Francis,
you, Elizabeth.
thank you so much. Thank you. You're beautiful as well, Queen. Yes. Let no one define with you. Yes. Beautiful queens, because what? We're from royalty. Yeah. That's right. Yes, so we have our cage here tonight. The numbers pinned at the bottom. And this is how we're going to do it. Patricia, you two are such a breath of fresh air. Thank you so much. Thank you. And that's what we want to remain. We want to remain that way. But, you know, you have people provoking us left and right when we don't come on social media and trouble anyone. And, you know, people getting my husband involved in cursing me out. That is just disgusting, because my husband haven't done anything to anyone. You understand? And want to describe my husband when you're not describing my husband, because my husband isn't short. My husband is 6 feet tall. And you know what I'm saying? So don't go at my husband. He never come on here and messes with anyone.
Nope.
You understand? You don't know what my husband look like. Penis look like. You don't know that. So how you going to describe what he has and all of that? That's disgusting. Stop fantasizing about my husband. Me know same turn up like that. Yes, whether you are admit it or not, I know. Yes, because when he take off him clothes, I said, Jesus, I wonder if I saw Adam did look in the Garden of Eden. Oh, and God created man in his image after his own likeness. Yes. And darkness was upon the earth. And him said, let there be light.
And
yes,
there was light.
And there was light. When me looked at him in the nude. You understand? So nobody here with my husband. And I just leave him out there. You understand? Yes, not do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Not do it. Not do it.
Stop lusting.
You understand? Not do it. 6 feet. Yes. Anybody turn up, remember me tell you, yes man, he have one belly and he work it off. Yes, he is an ex-soldier from Jamaica. Yes. So in gone back to him exercise and yes, and you see when he Jesus and not an ounce of ear not upon him and him clean, you see, and you see when him put on all the Tom Ford of my beard. Yes, or the Giorgio Armani. And if you tell you, you understand? When you touch my husband, you understand? Then Master Baker have to come out for you Saturday in all our glory. Yes. Yes. You understand?
Tough crackers no bother nobody.
Yes, you understand me? Because tough crackers no bother nobody.
You understand?
Yes. Tough crackers minding business. Yeah, man. My one of the Jamaican man, him then I bag a friend either. You understand? In minding business and he all about him money. And that's why I have him friend that and him family. You understand? And his wife and his granddaughter and his daughter. I feel him life at that him all about. You understand? Yes, man. You understand? So me I tell you, my girl, when you talk about my husband, I tell you same thing. You say, Jesus. I miss to tell you, yes. Yeah, you want a boy ugly? I said, no. I can't have on him clothes. And when he take off him clothes, that you see, I just say handsome this day. I just say handsome this day. Me, I tell you, I just so handsome. Don't worry about what you see on social media. And when he come out of that shower, when he Locks are coming out. Locks. I'm watching the people. I'm watching. Yeah, man. I'm watching every 30 years. I'm still a watching. That just goes to show your girlfriend. 30 years. I'm still a watching. If you tell you, you don't know. Me say you don't know. Me sit down and sing enough time. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings on me. Not only a roof up above me, but you know what I mean. Lord, not only food on my table, but food under the sheets. You gave me your love, Lord. Oh, what a sweet, sweet, sweet meat. Hello, thank you, Lord, for your blessings on me. Make me sing every time. Every time I talk about him, me have to sing and tell God thank you. So no worry about me and him. Don't worry about me and him. Yes.
When you can broke a bed, come chat to him. When you can broke 2 beds, come chat to him.
I mean, I like show off, but nothing in my life, never. Brent, I'm vanilla, we tell you. Me humble as them.
Humble, yes.
Very, very humble. But me will show off about that. If you only knew the blessing that salvation brings, you will never stay away. Hallelujah. Oh, I tell you. Yes.
Let me tell you, if I continue for watching me at chocolate,
I say I watch him and every time I sing. Yes, I sing out, yes. Ask him and me turn around and laugh.
I love to see my husband when he come out of the shower and like his upper body is wet and him have a towel wrapped around him.
And them things that come with him. You know what I mean? And them things that come with him. Yes, man. Him not just come as an empty and did it. So then things that are part of it.
Packaged today.
It packaged today. You understand? Yeah. It packaged it. When we said it there. Jesus
my
is
husband's
the one.
packing more than a gun.
Yes, he is the only one. All right, let's up here, cause up here cold enough, and I have up here cold. See what they do to me up here cold. Up here cold. Me say, ear on, trust me, ear on, ear on. Ooh, ear on. You know what I mean? Ear on. On. Yes, man. Leave my husband if you don't want to cuss me. But just
let me tell you to sing that song one more time.
Which song? Which song?
Your blessing
a
song.
whole heap of song me sing, you know, man. A whole heap. You know what I mean? A whole heap. Your mother me sing come out of the shower. Me say, oh, thank you, Lord, for your blessings on me. I got a roof up above me, Lord, and only that you provide me with, and a good place to sleep. No, Jesus.
And something fantastic under the sheet.
Yes. You know what I mean? And when he touched me say, he touched me. Oh, he touched me. And oh, the joy that flood my soul. I said something happened, and now I know, Lord, why he touched me. Oh, and makes me whole.
And when he touches me,
you understand? Yes, me not lying, and the truth. You know what I mean? I'm not using a chatty, but tonight I don't tell me that chatterbox about them things that make me a show off. Yes, now you can't say me show off, but one thing, yes, one thing me will show off about because, yes, me will show off about that. And a material thing that, you know, God said it to me that human farm, me can feel him, and he move. He can move, Lord Jesus.
Chocolate talk about the movements.
They move. Oh, have thine own way, Lord. You see, every time I talk, where that come from now? You know what I mean? Have thine own way. Yes, you are the potter and he was the clay. Lord, keep him same way. Yes, Lord.
Yes, man.
May I tell
Sweet
you?
nourishment for the body and soul.
For the body and soul, you understand
When you can release. When you can release and get that satisfaction anytime you want.
Let me tell you. So you just leave him alone. You understand? Just leave him alone. Like me say, me no want nobody else to want him. I don't want a soul else to want him. So I only one me could I get? Fine. Me hit the jackpot. May I tell you that? Yes. Hit the jackpot.
Good evening, Carolyn. Welcome.
Hit the jackpot. Yes, man. Oh my God, you wanted that. No, I shoot me attack, them class up my husband. So them just come out, come make them know, say, leave him alone. You understand?
Them have a request for you for sing.
What?
Sing at the cross.
Oh Lord, at the cross. At the cross, where I first saw the, oh Lord Jesus, and then the light we see. No, never the light you first saw the what? And then the light. Oh no, I'm a line I sang, no song. Well, and the burdens of my heart roll away. It did. Yes, man. Woo! I wasn't at the cross. And in there at my cross. No. And then at the cross. No, I'm a lie. And then at the cross it happened. Oh my God. So here out our work tonight, my kings and queens. We're going to give away 5 sets, and then we're going to pause and answer some questions that we got, right? Actually, my husband gave them questionnaire for we answer for you guys. So we have how many questions?
7, I think. 7
yeah,
or 8,
just so,
somewhere around there.
Yeah, so that you guys can know us a little bit better and see if we know each other. Yes? And then we're going to continue with the other 5 sets. So we're going to do 5, break it up, and then answer the question. Vanilla going to write her answer on a piece of paper. I'm going to write mine, and we're going to see if it matches. Right? And that's how it's going to work.
Yep.
Oh, no good? Yes? Dirty girl leave Mr. 6 feet and some chocolate alone. Tell them for me now, please.
Say it again, Vanessa.
Leave him alone.
Leave my brother-in-law alone.
Just leave him in the name of Jesus. Leave him alone. You understand? Because one thing about me, I will never get people, family involved in any disagreements. That's how me look at it. You understand? Because me and nobody in a war. People who are war with me, I'm not in any war with anyone.
Right.
Yeah? So, yes. So, that's how it is. But make sure you come watch Master Baker on Saturday. Don't you miss it.
Yes.
All right. It's gonna be epic. Yes. Oh God, yes. All right. Are you ready?
Good.
On a good. All right. So we're gonna open up the phone line.
Again, the number's pinned.
All right. Open up the phone line, and we have in this cage. Before I open the phone line, we have 11 balls in here.
Yeah.
So you're going to call in and choose a ball. If your ball falls out, if we spin it and your ball falls out,
your number.
You win some credits. All right? So that's how it's going to work. And I see people are already calling. So let's go. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. I'm good. I can't hardly hear you. I'm not here. You're very low. And I know it's not my phone. But what number would you like? We don't have 22. The ball stops at 11. 5. All right, we're going to spin for 5. All right.
Number 4.
Number 4.
Going back in.
And it's going back in. All right, so call back. All right. You're welcome. Gotta do something with our phone. Why is it? The phone blow up. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. There you go. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. What number?
Okay, number 2.
Number 2. All right, we're spinning for number 2.
Up 2 fell out.
All right.
Let me put him back in.
You can rest it. Can't they sit on the table without you
know.
doing that? Let's see. There we go.
Number 2.
Number 2, who's this? The person that called, her phone got dropped. You're a winner, all right? Call us back. Hello, good night.
Good night. Number 7.
Number 7, all right? We're spinning for number 7.
Okay.
Number 7.
Number 7, who's this? Why are the calls keep dropping? Number 7 is a winner. Call back. Hello, good night.
Good night.
What number would you like?
Number 4.
Number 4. All right, so spinning for number 4.
Number 3.
Number 3. Number 3. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
What number would you like?
Number 4.
Number 4. All right, we're spinning for number 4.
Number 11.
Number 11. All right, call us back. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. What number would you like? What number would you like?
Number 5.
Number 5. All right, we're spinning for number 5.
Number 1.
Number 1. All right, number 1. Let's go, callers. It's blowing up. Hello, good night. Number 8. All right, spinning for number 8. Turn us down in the background when you call us, please.
Number 11.
Number 11. Call us back. All right, let's go. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. What number would you like?
I get number 2.
Number 2, all right?
2 is gone.
2 is gone. You got to call us back, all right?
Okay.
All right. Come on, let's go. It's blowing up. Hello, good night.
Hi, good night.
What number would you like?
I would like number 9.
Number 9. We're spinning for number 9. Let's go.
Number 4.
Number 4. Call us back. We're moving on very fast because it's a lot of calls. Hello, good night. What number would you like?
Number 9.
Number 9. Spinning for number 9.
Number 6.
Number 6. All right, call us back. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Let me have that number. Hello.
Number 10.
Number 10. Number 10. Spinning for number 10.
Number 8.
Number 8. Let's go. Hello, good night.
Good night.
Can I get the number you would like?
4.
Number 4. All right, we're spinning for number 4.
Number 6.
Number 6. All right, come on, we're the lucky people. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
What's your lucky number?
11.
11. Going for 11. Let's go.
Number 9.
Number 9. Okay, where are the lucky callers? Hello, good night. Hello, good night. What number would you like? Number what?
9.
Number 9. Spinning for number 9. Let's go.
Number 3.
Number 3. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. What number can I get you?
Hello, good night.
Good night. What number can I get you?
11.
11. Let's spin for 11.
Number 8.
Number 8. Hello, good night. What number? Good night. What number can I get you?
Number 5.
Number 5. Spinning for number 5.
Number 6.
Number 6.
Close.
That's close. That is close. Hold on. Hold on. I have to decline this call so I can. It won't even let me. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
What number can I get you?
Number 7.
Number 7. Let's go.
7's gone.
Number 7 is gone. You're going to call us back with a new number, all right? So number 7 is gone and number what?
2.
And number 2. Number 7 and number 2 is outside the cage. Hello, good night. What number can I get you?
Number 2.
Number 2.
2 is gone.
2 is gone. Number 2 and number what again?
7. 2
Number
and 7 are gone.
Number 2 and number 7 is outside the cage. Hello, good night.
Good night. Good night.
What number can I get you?
Number 9.
Number 9. Let's go.
Number 8.
Number 8. Very close. All right. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
What number can I get you?
Number 6.
Number what?
Number 6?
Number 6.
Number 6. All right. Spinning for number 6.
Uh-oh. 2 dropped out, but this is number 1.
All right. Number 1. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night. Number 3.
Number 3. All right. Number 3. Spinning for number 3.
Number 11.
Number 11. Oh, come on, kings and queens. Hello, good night.
Good night. I'm calling for number 11.
Number 11. All right, let's do it.
Number 5.
Number 5. Let me just take a chance at the cage, and see if y'all will have some luck with me. Let's do it.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Can I get your lucky number, please?
Number 8.
Number 8.
All right. Number 3.
Number 3. Sorry, number 3.
All right.
Hello, good night. Hello.
Number 1. Number 1.
Number 1. All right, spin it for number 1.
Number 4.
Number 4. Sorry.
Come on. We're going to have to go to 50-50. Are you telling me that?
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Can I get your lucky number, please?
Number 5.
Number 5.
Number 9.
Sorry, number 9. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Can I get your lucky number, please?
Number 4.
All right, spin it for number 4.
Ooh, they slippery, boy. Okay. Number 3.
Sorry, number 3.
We're going to have to go to some sudden death right here. 50-50. Come on, people. Ain't going to keep me out here
Hello,
all
good night.
Hi, good night.
Can I have your lucky number, please?
Number 5.
All right, spin it for number 5.
Oh, Lord. Run a lot for your job this time. I'm not good at it. Number 8.
Sorry, number 8.
All right, take back your kids.
Take back the 4.
Hello, good night. Hello, good night. What's the lucky number?
Number 8.
Number 8. All right. Let's go.
Number 6.
Number 6. Woo. No, sir. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello.
Queen.
What number?
Good night.
Good night.
Can I get number 2? Can I get 7?
7.
7's gone.
7 is gone. 7 is gone. 7 and
2.
2 is out the cage. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Can I get your lucky number, please?
Number 5.
Number 5. All right, let's go. Good luck.
Number 4.
Number 4. That's close. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Let me have your lucky number, please.
Number 3.
Number 3. Let's go. Where are the dreamers?
Number 1.
Number 1. No, sir. We're going to go to some sudden death. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Let me have the lucky number, please.
Number 5.
Number 5. All right.
Number 8.
Number 8. Sorry. Hello, good night. Hello, let me have that lucky number. Number 9. All right, we're spinning for... What did you say?
Number 4.
Oh, number 4, she said.
Number 11.
Number 11. Woo. Come on. Hello, good night.
Good night.
Let me have that lucky number. What? Number 8. All right, spinning for number 8.
Number 9.
Number 9. I'm impatient. Hello, good night.
Good night. I'm impatient. Hello, good night.
Turn us down in the background, and what number would you like?
Number 6.
Number 6. All right. Let's go.
Number 4.
Number 4. No, sir, we're going to lose some of the balls now.
Yeah,
Let's take out some balls out of this, because this will take forever. I don't want to blow up the phone. Hold on, we got to decline till we take some balls out. And I have no patience. All right.
All right, we're going to leave 10 and 6.
Sudden
10 and 6.
50-50 chance right about now in the first round here. 50-50 chance. Let's go. 50-50 chance. 50-50 chance. 2 balls in the cage.
10 and 6.
10 and 6. Which one you want? 10. All right.
That's going to be harder for us to pick up.
Yeah, it's very hard to pick up, but somebody will win quicker.
6.
6. 6. All when me do 50-50, you can't win. Let me pray for honor. Remove all the bad luck from them, Jesus. Take off the bad luck. Hello. Which one? Number 6. All right. Let's see.
Number 10.
Number 10. Oh. No, number 10 you get. Hello, good night. 50-50. 50-50, 10 or 6. 10. All right. 5 or 5 or 10. Me and you are friend. You are the 10. Number 10. You pray a bounce off a woman in front of you and lick you. What's your name? What is your name? Who? Gillette. Text us your phone service, all right?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Love you too. Hello. 50-50. Number 6. Let's go.
Number 6.
Number 6. Who is this?
Yes.
Yes. Diana.
Yeah, Tiana.
Tiana. Text us your phone service, Tiana. All right. Moving on. Let me know when we reach the halfway point.
The last one.
Last one. Hello. 50.
Good night.
Good night. 50-50 for the first round. This is the last one for this round. 10 or 6.
10. Number 10.
All right. 5 and 5 or 10. Me and
Number
you.
6.
Number 6, man. Come on. Hello. Good night. 50-50, 10 or 6. 10. I love a 10, you man. 10. I good one you pick. Who this?
Sandra, of course.
Sandra. You're lucky. Text with your name and your phone service, Sandra. All right. All right. So the second half, guys, second half is just going to be 50-50. All right. So hold on. We're going to put 2 new balls in there for the second half.
Yeah,
Go back to the live, people.
Should I do it now or when we come, before we do it?
Go back to the live, people. And for the second round. All right. First round done. Second round soon come. Alright. Yeah, man. We're going with 2 different. One. Anyone will pick up.
Yeah.
7 and 8 are going at the bar, the cage. 50-50. Because I don't have no luck. You understand? 50-50. Lady V, big up yourself, Queen.
Big up, Lady V.
Big up, Lady V. How you doing, Queen? Vicky May, big up yourself. Janet Crooks, big up yourself. Jennifer Gooden, let's say that. Elizabeth Francis, what a guan. First round, gone.
First round's done.
First round's done.
We have more.
There's a second round coming up, all right? Second round is going to be 50-50. 2 balls. All right? So it's all about your luck. Same way. You understand? Yeah, me I try to help you now. I got pray for you now. For the second round. No luck. Go back to the live, people. Stop blow up the phone. Go back to the live. Yeah, go back to the live. Diana, how you doing? Who not have no luck? You lady, if you don't have no damn luck, you're not a batty. Where you come over here bother me for? Huh? What she say? You don't have no luck, Lady V. None. 0. You understand? Yeah. What you did there when I over here I sing? What you did there when I talk about the goodness of God? You just crawl up in my comment section and I come to ask about who not have no luck. When you come over here all up in our business. Huh? Huh? Me have you up. You understand? Me here say you get new body. You understand?
She told me say
Yes.
you get a BBL.
Yeah, you get new body. The old one where you lend me, it wear out. So, Vanilla warn your friend. You think so because you think so because you do karate and Bruce Lee. Are you nephew? Me afraid of you? Me not afraid of you. You understand? A big stone me do. Big stone me do. That's what me do. So you keep your black belt. A big stone me work with. You understand? Yeah. Ask anybody. When my mother did a try for you run me down with belt, never could have catch me. So you and your black belt now go work. You understand me? So back up, Lady V. Back up. Yeah. Yeah. Back up, Lady V. Yeah. You understand? Big stone me roll with. Me country girl, Lady V. Big stone. And Bill. You ever hear about Bill? Me not talk about a machete. Bill, a broad one. A broad top one. Yeah. Slap up people with Bill. You understand me?
Lady V, me try for one, you know. Me try for one, you
shape like a
for
bun.
left chocolate alone. But you know why? Listen to me. Me try to help you and tell you for left chocolate alone. And you know why? Listen.
What kind of bun you talk about, Lady V? Huh?
Bun and cheese?
Easter bun? Or bun where people give people? You understand? You have to break it down for me, Lady V, when you talk. Now come over here with your big words, them. You understand? Now come over here with your big words, them. Nobody not have time for you over here with your big words, them. You hear? Psychology you want to use for me. Yeah. You can call and give somebody the credit, Marine. Yes, you can. Kings and queens, I saw me and Lady V go on all the time. Yes, it's all, you know, it's all good humor. Yes, nice for somebody you can mess with. Pan Live, you know what we're not doing.
No, but they were asking to give away them credit.
No, I don't know if that's what they're asking now to do. They're asking in the comment if they can call and give for credits and give it to someone. Me, a natural body, a man-made, yo, go. You see, that's why I'm going to tell people on social media my business. Because now Lady V can put it in a comment for everybody knows that I inflate my body. You understand? That's why it's not good for you to tell people your business. Should just dash you out a little while.
DVH.
DVH. Big up yourself, Queen. How you doing? All right. So here it is now. A couple of questions. It's not gonna be long, and then we're gonna move into the second part of our credits giveaway. All right. Round two. It's gonna be 50-50. They're just 2 balls inside the cage. Number 7 and number 8. Yes. All right. So I saw it all work. Well, Lady Vida, wanna tell me if she's still in there? And I comment. Tell me. Big body DVH. See? I mean, she throw word pan you know. Cause she knows that DVH have a body what I want borrow. You understand? Because I want a body where I can rest a nice Guinness buckle pan top. You understand? And one time I put on G-string, something come out through the 2 sides. And because she know DVH have that, she got ball out and I comment. Big body DVH throw word pan chocolate. You understand? Why you ever use DVH to try to get at me? Huh? In Lady V? That's why I'm not tell you nothing more. You understand?
She said she done. She done share.
She done share. Just share. Oh, thank you so much, Queen, for sharing. You share your body. You have to be careful with the share word, you know. And your body you share or you share it live. Which one? Which one? You share your body? Your body you share? A long time I like you in the DVH, you know from when? A long time. And now you say you share.
That's so kind of you.
Tell us you're a good woman.
Yes, man.
Yeah,
but don't say it's sweet, you know, DVH.
You tell us you're a good woman, you know.
For a long time we can see it.
A long time you see it. Phone screen and all.
Yes, DVH.
A long time you tell us a good woman. Lady V still the panel.
Not the body. What do you mean not the body? What kind of shit that DVH?
Not the body. Jesus Christ. Me tell us a woman wicked enough, Vanilla.
I tell you.
For the first time I watch her, me tell us she wicked.
She don't love it.
Yeah, me tell us she wicked with her body because she love funny on the camera when she knows and me I watch her.
And show off.
Yeah. She have a kind of body where can clap, you know. Vanilla. Clapping on. Only me and me can clap in a Vanilla.
The kind of body that the G-string.
Yeah, when G-string for weird, perfect for G-string.
Yes.
She not an iron board battle like for me when me have to just sit down upon all the time. You understand?
Right.
The people all I use they cost me.
Right.
You understand? And a me make me have Bammy body. And a me make me have roti body. And then DVH just come over here, come build up me look up.
Wait a minute.
I make them. Hold on.
You say she stole your body, but you tell her, say she can have it. Y'all go get one new one. And that you say on your life. A woolly for people on your life and
so
a woolly for witness.
I forgot friend up back Lady V cause DVH now and out her body. So make her be nice to Lady V.
But Lady V.
Make her be nice to Lady V.
All right.
Lady V, me love you, you see.
Love you, see, Lady V.
We love you, you see. A long time I love you, Lady V. A long time. You're so sweet. You're so beautiful.
So kind
and funny.
And love to share.
And love it. I'm so intelligent.
You're so giving.
So giving, so caring. And when they come out and beat you, you just come out here and make a girl know. And you look up in the camera already confident. And you're going. You know what I mean? For a long time, I love you. You gonna let me about it? Okay.
The BBL one.
All right. Pancake Batty.
Pancake Batty. What's up with that, Tiana?
My feelings. All right, let's go. Let's go before them. We can't till 1 o'clock in the morning. You understand? I have to get up early. They have things to do.
Don't do mine.
Wicked set of people. How old lady if you talk about? I know we know.
I know we. No.
They ask if they're wicked lady for you.
Yes.
Wicked, you see?
Yes, wicked. They don't want to share.
No, not them that want to share. They're wicked, you see, lady for me. Know who you are talking. Wicked set of people, them. Yes, man, I agree with you.
Yeah, man.
Just send off about it real fast. Yeah.
Express.
Yeah.
Overnight.
All right.
Same day.
So here are the questions now, guys. And because Vanilla chat so much, we're going to cut down a list, you understand? LV, them are friend, you know. You're baking tomorrow. No, but I'm baking on Saturday. The bakery will be open on Saturday, Lady V. Yes? Order your Easter buns for next year, because that's when you'll get them. You understand? Next year. So you order them from Saturday, they'll get to you next year for Easter. But the bakery will be open on Saturday.
Yep.
Yes. I don't know when it will open again, but for sure it will open on Saturday. And it don't need to open more than 1 day for the year. Because the money that I make in that 1 day, I can just relax. You understand? I can just come on here, relax, and talk to my kings and queens. I don't have to work ever again. Once I bake 1 day out of the year, that's all I need.
Once.
You know? I ended up baking like 15 cakes on Saturday in my bakery. That's all I need. Lasts me for the rest of the year. Understand, Lady V? Yes. Yes, lady. Duval, King Duval, big up yourself.
Big up Duval.
Big up yourself. All right. So the first question is for both of us. So,
answer one first.
One first.
Okay.
So I'm gonna pose it to Vanilla first. What is Vanilla's favorite one? All right, someone. Sure. What is Vanilla's favorite resort in Jamaica? I'm backside.
Not to turn away from chocolate so she can't see my answers.
And you better write big and fast, because people them not have all nights. You understand? Well, Lady Vida, she gone. I think I know which one. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. I think I got it. Them, you know I see it right? When I can't see it, I don't have to turn it a different way for them see it. When I can't see it, tell me if I can't see it.
You can't read backwards.
It read backward. Or you change your fee show.
You have to write backwards.
Oh, you have to write backward.
We can't write backwards.
All right.
It's still like
So
that.
that is Vanilla's answer. Let's see. It is my answer as well. It's Moon Palace. Me get it right. Me know set up the Moon Palace because that's where she get married.
Yeah.
Duh, Mike.
Hello.
Hello, Michael.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
come again. Wheel and come again. Wheel and come again. Moon Palace our favorite resort. Every time she chat about it, no matter which resort she go, a Moon Palace. Moon Palace, Moon Palace, because then she get married. So.
All right. What
See,
is Chocolate's favorite resort in Jamaica?
Oh. Easy as 1, 2, 3. I don't want your seat. Tight teeth, you know. Teeth. Yeah, Moon Palace, Lady V. Moon Palace our favorite resort at Jamaica, not just because she get married there. Where you put?
You have to show your answer.
Oh,
first.
my answer is Couples.
Okay.
Couples.
I'm wrong. I got Real Montego Bay adults only.
And I know so I name a real reggae. I never say just real Montego, be a real reggae.
Real reggae, yeah.
It's alright, but couples, me love couples better. Okay. Real reggae. Because them have different
Yeah.
Why next one? Come quick.
What is Vanessa's favorite color? Colors.
Colors. What your favorite color? Lord Jesus. So just one piece of paper you bring for me right now?
Yeah, see more there.
Oh. Oh, Jesus. Real. Real. Oh, real? No, not real. Couples. Yeah. What your favorite color? Man, I don't know. What your favorite color? I don't know. I just put sitting. After I don't know, you never talk about your favorite color?
Purple and burgundy. Where you put? Where you put?
Green and red.
Gray and red? No, sir. No, sir.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Pikachu.
All right, what is Chocolate's favorite color?
My favorite color.
Colors.
Colors, okay. I don't want to get teeth now. Okay. Alright, show them what you have.
You're supposed to show
Oh,
them
me for show first. Oh. I have to teach me. I don't come up with a local game. I have to tell me. White and gold.
White and gold. Gold and white, I put.
Yes, gold and white. Yes. Yes, my love of gold and white. I think it's just elegant.
Just right on the back of the paper.
Why your name? Me have one heap of reams of paper in the office. Just grab some paper from my office. Hurry up. Yeah. Bright colors and black. Black and burgundy. For me? Lady V or for vanilla? Bright colors and black. For me? Blue and red? No.
Blue and silver?
Oh, no, not get it right. No, not get it right. Lady V got partial. If she talk about vanilla, she get part of it.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Burgundy. Yeah. Okay, let's go. What's the next one?
What are the 2 brands that Vanilla has most in her closet?
Me know that. 2 brands. What are the 2 brands that vanilla you'll find most in vanilla closet, right? So,
Yeah.
in your closet? Oh. That's so easy. Please come again, Michael. And what else? Me know if me try remember. Me have the first one. Why next one? My cousin. I don't know. I mean, just have to me know the first one for sure. Okay, let's go. You show first.
Michael Kors and Steve Madden.
I got it right. Steve Madden and Michael Kors. Yeah. Yeah, love I damn Steve Madden shoes. I know that.
True.
Yeah, love a damn Steve
What
Madden.
are the 2 brands that Chocolate has most in her closet?
Oh, Lord. You're going to know that. Okay. Miss Vanilla, I think he did that for you as a favor. I know you don't get it.
One.
Coach and Michael Kors.
Coach and Michael Kors.
So you not get none
Ding,
wrong.
ding.
I hope it appear easy sitting here.
What is Vanilla's favorite meat?
What's Vanilla's favorite meat? Oh God, me know that. Who that on the live know that? You must know that. Chocolate Gucci. No, I have a few, but most are my brand them a Michael Kors and Coach.
All right.
Yeah. Me not, Lady V, let me tell you something about me. Me not like spend one heap of money on stuff where like that. Yes. Like all Gucci and then sitting there for my husband have to buy them for me too cheap for buy them and sitting there for myself. You understand? Me prefer to have money.
Let me try to guess.
Me prefer to invest my money than for spending and buy stuff like them. To be honest, I just a mistake. Yes. Gifts me get them sitting there as Gucci.
Alright. My answer is oxtail.
Oxtail.
Ding ding.
Yeah.
Alright, what is chocolate's favorite meat?
My husband will more for buy them brand, them things there, not me. Yeah. I could have care less. Wait, why next question?
What's your favorite meat?
Oh, my favorite meat? Oh. What you look for when me right
Me done right.
Oh, put it up there.
I put jerk pork. But a pork.
Pork. Me don't care what no one say. Me love me Trenton. Me love it jerk. Yeah. And stew.
How old was Vanilla when she got her license?
How old were you when you got your license?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
16.
Damn, man. I put 17. Oh, I get that wrong.
How old was Chocolate when she got her license?
Oh, let me show. 17.
Oh, I put 19.
17. Yeah. I'll never forget that. 17. And I got mine. Okay.
What is something Vanilla indulges in?
What is something you're indulging in? Oh, Lord, that's easy. Okay. That's easy. Me not get no more wrong.
Shoes.
Shoes. Yes, shoes.
What is something Chocolate indulges in?
All right. Oh, Lord, what is something that's... Oh, my God. Oh, Lord. Oh, no, misspell that right. But if you show first?
Yep.
Because about me?
Yep.
Me coulda decide. So me coulda decide so me write all of them.
She write a list. A list you write?
Perfume, clothes, shoes, and jewelry.
Well, I got 3 out of your 4. Shoes, clothes, and jewelry.
I do, guys. Now God pray for me.
Right.
I do. Me love perfume and jewelry, yes. So,
All right, if Vanilla had one wish for social media, what would it be?
Oh. Me know that because you chat about that all the damn time. Maybe that's why I'm right that. Because you chat about that all the time. Go right ahead, Vanilla.
Peace. No more war.
See? Stop war. All the time she talk about that. Yes. We're almost done?
Yep, last one. If Chocolate had one wish for social media, what would it be?
Damn. You know what it is? You sound confident. That. I would have to write a letter for that backside. Now the last one, people. And do...
Let's see how good I am.
Man, why am I forget that the question there? It's a long answer. Me have to do short on. Long answer. Let's see what them I say. Yeah. That all Jamaicans would unite to do something great for Jamaica instead of warring with each other.
I put get together to give to the less fortunate.
Oh, similar. Yeah, similar. Yes, peace and love and unity and all of that. Yes. So, I guess me no know her as well as she know me, right? Come and get a couple of them wrong.
Yeah,
right?
couple.
All right. So, now ready for part 2? Added credits.
7 and 8. 7 and 8.
It is 50-50. So your chances are very great. All right? 50-50. Let's do it. The phone start up already.
Now with the phone.
Now hello? We have what? 7 and 8. Which one you want? Hello? I can't wait for y'all to be connected. All right? So I'm going to keep it moving. Hello, good night. Yes, what number?
Good night.
Good night. Number 8. All right, let's go. We don't accept text. You gotta try and call. I know it's
7.
hard. Number 7. All right. I know it's hard because it's only one line, but I'm doing the best that I can. Hello. Good night. Hello. Good night. Hello. I can't wait on the phones to be reconnected, all right? Because there's a lot of people calling. Hello, good night. Yes, can I get to the number?
Number 8.
Number 8. All right, let's go.
Number 8.
Number 8. Who is this?
Duval.
Duval. All right, Duval, go ahead and text us your name and your phone service. All right? Congrats.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, good night. You just gotta keep trying. Hello, good night.
Hello.
Can I get the number?
Hello, good night. Number 7.
Number 7. All right. We're spinning for number 7.
Number 8.
Number 8. Turn us down when you call us, please. Hello, good night. Hello. Hello, good night.
Hello.
What number would you like? Number 7. All right, we're spinning for 7. Let's go.
Number 7.
Number 7. Who's this?
Patricia.
Patricia. Text us your name and your telephone service. All right.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's go. Come on, folks. Don't you give up. Don't you give up. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Can I get the number you'd like?
Number 8.
Number 8. We're spinning for 8. Good night, Sandy. How are you?
Number 8.
Number 8. Who's this?
Wendy.
Wendy. Go ahead and text us your name and your telephone service. All right?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. See? All right, let's go. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Which number would you like?
Number 8.
Number 8. All right, we're spinning for number 8.
Number 7.
Number 7. Sorry. Come on, 50-50. Hello, give me that lucky number. That lucky number. Hello.
Number 8.
Number 8. All right, let's go.
Number 7.
Number 7. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Night Queen, can I get number 8?
All right, we're spinning for number 8.
Number 8.
Number 8. Who is this?
Thank you, Queen. Glacier 4.
All right, Glacia, text us your name and your telephone service. All right. How many more we have to go? We got one more. Who's going to be the lucky person? Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
All right. Which number would you like?
Number 8.
Number 8. All right. We're spinning for number 8.
Number 8.
Number 8. Who's this?
Peter Gay.
Peter Gay. Go ahead and text us your name and your telephone service. All right. All right. We're going to do a bonus one for the road. What road?
Right.
For the road, Vanilla. You got to
For my road.
get the hell out of here. Hello. Hello. Good night. Hello. What number would you like? Good night. What number?
8.
Number 8. All right, let's do it.
Number 8.
Number 8. Who is this?
Oh, good.
Donette. Text us your name and your telephone service. All right.
Okay.
You're welcome very much. If a name picture show up on it, I hate when people picture show up and me no answer. Hello, good night.
Good night, number 7.
Number 7, all right, let's do it.
Number 7.
Who am I speaking to?
This is Dion.
Dion, text us your name and your telephone service, all right?
Alright.
Bye. All right, this one is no picture, so I can
Press connected.
no, I can't wait for it to connect. That's it. That's the end. Guys, become we'll go on and on all night, right? Congratulations to all the winners. If you did not get through tonight, don't you give up. Call. We do this all the time.
We do.
So you'll win some other times. Congratulations to
all the winners.
and everyone that called in. Thank you
Yes.
so much for calling in. Thank you
for
so much.
participating.
Yes, thank you so much for being with us tonight. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We always appreciate you coming to see us. Thank you to all the platform holders that stopped by.
Absolutely.
Yes, thank you guys. We appreciate it. Thank you all my kings and queens as always. I love you guys and there's absolutely nothing you guys can do about it. See you guys soon.
Yes.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself. Be safe.
Love you guys. Have a blessed night.
Good night.
Take care. Bye-bye.